Good morning, YouTubers, Facebook, Google Plus, whatever social media it comes along that you view me. This is Daniel W. Evans, and I got a question for you. Who is old school? Who uses prepaid phones? How many does that anymore? My wife does that. My wife and I. Who has no contract phones? How many of you? And how many of you folks have contract phones such as Samsung Galaxy, Droid, iPhones, etc., etc., etc.? My next video would be question and answers. Leave a message or a comment below. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful and prosperous day. See ya.